Hi, this is Kumaravel, Assistant Professor EC from RMT Engineering College. In this topic, we are going to discuss about internal responsibilities in an organization. For any successful organization, in background, so we have a teamwork. So teamwork involves, right? So virtue of collegiality, loyalty, collective bargaining, and respect for authority. First, we'll see about collegiality. Because my collegiality is nothing but it is the tendency to support and cooperate your colleague in your working environment. So elements of collegiality are respect, commitment, connectedness. So first we'll see about respect. So here respect in the sense what it is not simply you're obeying your superior. So actually here respect means when it comes to teamwork, right? We have to value everyone's idea, their view, and their even if it is going to be a small portion of work, so we need to appreciate them. So here the respect in the sense we need to value others' work. Okay. Next is about commitment. Commitment in the sense so in any project, right? So we have to be committed because a part of a project is assigned to you. So we need to know that what so we have to complete it in time because our output is going to be input for any other process. So we have to be committed. So we need to know that what so we have to complete our work on time. Next, connectedness. Connectedness in the sense what? So it is the awareness of being part of cooperative undertaking created by shared commitment and expertise. We need to aware of what so simply we can tell connected is nothing but communication. So each and every member in a team they have to communicate with each other, they have to share their idea, they have to share the problems what they have faced, how they have sorted it, so everyone will be benefit from it. These are all these are the important parameters in teamwork: respect, commitment, and connectedness. Negative aspects of collegiality. So, what might be negative aspect? It might be misused, right? Also, there might be the possibles of in a team itself there will be a different group of peoples will be there. They might have different opinion, so it will affect the entire process. Sometimes always when we do something, there will be some negative aspects will be there, but we need not to worry about. Next is loyalty. So here loyalty means how true you are to your organization, how true you are to your work or whatever it is. So two sense of loyalty. First one is about agency loyalty. Agency loyalty in the sense what? How one fulfill his duties to their employee. Right? So whatever the work assigned to you, so how true you are in your work, right? This is nothing but agency loyalty. The next one is called identification loyalty. So here identification loyalty, the mostly here we consider about attitude, emotion, and sense of personal identity, right? So these are the factors where in identification loyalty we consider. Next, professionalism and loyalty. So loyalty means it doesn't mean that what you are obeying your immediate superior or your boss. Actually, loyal to the organization means if you are think about the end user, okay, if you think about your customer, if you are able to satisfy your customer, which means that what? So you are loyal to the organization. Next, collective bargaining. So collective bargaining means simply we can consider like it is a union, right? Union in any organization. So what happens? We have the management team or our employer. Then we have what union members will be there. Then there are many employees who are under the union. Okay. So what is the function of union? So if the employee right, face any issues, they need to represent it to the management. Then they have to speak to the management. Then they need to find some solution for it in terms of some agreement. This is nothing but collective bargaining. Process of collective bargaining: first presenting it to the management, then second point is negotiating at the bargaining table, and third one will be reaching an agreement. So unionism is nothing but what collective bargaining is assumes to be unionism. Yeah. Arguments in favor of union. So how union will be helpful? Because it will be helpful for benefit of the employee, which means that what it will be helpful for achieving high salary, right? Also to improve the standard of living for of employee in an organization. So not only achieving high salary and improvement of standard of living, right? If the organizations, right, organization, if they're going to make any negative decisions against the employee, going to take any negative decisions against employee, then the union will be helpful for, to resist it. Okay, then let us consider about argument against the union. So argument against the union would be what? So when we have an union member, what happens? The management team, it is not possible for them, right, to know actually what the end people, the end employee is feeling, right? So they are able to know, see the information through the representative members only, right? So person to person negotiations is not there. Okay. Also, individual is not giving much importance in this process. Thank you.